For question number 2, we need to find or show that PQR is a right angle triangle and calculate the area of triangle PQR. Now let's take a look at what information that we have been given. So in this question, you are given the position vector for 3 points P, Q and R given as P, Q and R as follows. Okay, so to show that PQR is a right angle triangle, now let's draw the triangle first. Okay, say I have this triangle. Okay, this is the shape of right angle triangle. And since we have Q in the middle, so we must put Q over here. So your triangle can be PQR like this. Okay, so if we want to show that this is a right angle triangle, okay, so we must show that the two vectors are perpendicular of each other. So the two vectors will be this one. Okay, the first one is this. From Q, coming out from Q. So I have QP. Okay, and then another vector is over here, coming out from Q. Okay, so when we have these two vectors, okay, we can use the scalar product property, which is QP dot QR. And the result must equal to 0 so that the triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, so we are given P, Q and R. So P over here is the position vector of point P, which means that P is actually position vector of P in the Cartesian. So it is OP. Okay, Q is OQ and R is actually OR. Okay, so to find QP and QR, okay, we need to calculate QP by writing OP minus OQ. Remember to take the vector at the back minus the vector in front. Okay, so OP is P, OQ is Q, and then solve. We will get the first one. Then continue by calculating QR. Okay, so QR is OR minus OQ, and we will get the second vector. Okay, so now we have the information for QP and QR. Okay, and then we can just perform dot product between QP and QR. Okay, so we will get 0, and hence this is a right angle triangle. Next, the question asks us to calculate its area, the area of the triangle PQR. So in vector product, okay, we already learned that the formula for area will be 1/2 modulus of QR cross QP. Ataupun you boleh ambil QP cross QR. Tak kisahlah mana-mana pun okey sebab dah ada modulus kan. Okay, and then we will start by writing SIJK in the determinant form. Okay, and calculate the value until we get the result as follows. Okay, and then we need to calculate its magnitude. So we need to put square root and then find the values and finally substitute into the formula of area, which is 1/2 times the value of modulus QR cross QP. And this is the answer.